Psalm number 1, verses 1 to 3. Happy are those who do not follow the advice of the wicked, or take the path that sinners tread, or sit in the seat of scoffers. But their delight is in the law of the Lord, and on His law they meditate day and night. They are like trees planted by the streams of water, which yield their fruit in its season, and their leaves do not wither. In all that they do, they prosper. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Dear friends, I would like to continue my series on the lessons from the hilltop. We the Carmelites are privileged to be on the hilltop here at St. Joseph's Monastery, Mangalore, and hence this is also called Carmel Hill. You don't really appreciate the height of Carmel Hill if you enter through the front side, whereas on the rear you have a steep descent stretching down almost till the Pumpwell flyover, and the fields around would be the lowest part of the foothills. The majestic monastery can be seen from the highway. Indeed, a beautiful sight to behold. Truly, a city built on a hilltop. The Belgian fathers who came here in 1940s, fascinated by the scenic beauty of this place, pitched their tent on the top of this hill. But for the water resource, they purchased a small stretch of land down below in the valley and dug a well there. Through underground pipes, they pumped the water to a tank built on the hill, which supplied continuous water for irrigation, cattle and human consumption. My point for reflection would be, what if these fathers had bored a well up on the hill? Naturally, that well would not have supplied water throughout the year, but the well down below the valley supplied water all along. Dear friends, our spiritual life is sustained always by the well that never runs dry, which is down below in the valley. Often, this resource is hidden. No one notices the well, but it does a better job than the well dug up on the hill. The bore well on the hill is dry in the summer and full in rainy season, when in fact we do not need so much of water. People who live in the periphery are often like the dirt that flows above the river, tossed up and down by the passing currents. But those who live by the Spirit get their sustenance and substance from deep beneath the source of springs, God Himself. They flow majestically unharmed by the vagaries of this world. Their source of energy is God of love, who loves them unconditionally here and now at this very moment. Hence, they never fail to love. They never fade. They do not get frightened of losing their glow. The wheel of fortune may take them up or bring them down, but they know that they don't live on the periphery, but they live in the center. The center of Jesus' sacred heart. What better place is there on earth to find rest, to find comfort, to find solace and strength for our turbulent journey here on earth? So dear friends, let us dig our wells down below in the valley. Let us seek these spiritual resources for our sustenance. Only then our lives will be like those trees planted beside the running streams, ever green, ever bright. I wish you all the best. God bless you all.